Hello everyone, I am John Harvey, and today I will be reading to you this science encyclopedia. Okay, our first topic for the day is the human body. Body basics. What is the body made of? More than half of the human body is made up of purely water. The rest of the body is built from a huge number of complicated chemicals, and along with these chemicals, along with water, are assembled in tiny building blocks called cells. Each cell is self-contained and some particular function in the body. There are more than 50 billion cells in our body. What do cells look like? The shape and appearance of a cell depends on what job it does. For nerve cells are long and so you can carry messages around the body along the nervous system. Red blood cells are like flattened discs with pinch in at the center. White blood cells are shapeless, so they can squeeze between other cells and attack invaders such as bacteria. What are organs? Organs are made of different types of tissue that are gathered to the particular body function. The heart, for example, is a collective of muscle tissue. These tissues form together to pump blood around the body. Different types of organs are in turn grouped together to form systems. Different types, such as the circulatory systems, it includes the heart and all the body's blood vessels. Different types of organs. The digestive system includes the mouth, gullet, and stomach, and intestines, while the nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves in our body. The human body also has a skeletal system, a muscle system, an endocrine system, glands, a respiratory system, a urinary system, and a reproductive system. What are tissues? Millions of cells do the same job are grouped together into tissues. There are many different types of tissue. For example, muscle tissue. Muscle is built from millions of thread-like muscle cells. What are glands? Glands produce substances the body needs to maintain itself. Salivary glands in your mouth help produce saliva to help with your digestion. Other glands produce substances called hormones. These help with conditions within the body, like skeleton and joints. What are bones made of? Bones are made of hard materials that are supported by tough fibers called collagen. Most of the substance of a bone is made of a tiny stony material called calcium phosphate. It's hard but brittle material. Collagen stands to reinforce this brittle material to prevent it from breaking easily. Are bones alive? Bones consist of a solid material that is laid down in layers by living bone cells. New bone is constantly being reabsorbed and then replaced to keep it healthy. The surface of a bone is covered by skin that is full of nerves. Inside the bone are blood vessels and marrow, a soft material in which new blood cells are produced. People get old, their bones may become very spongy and weak, and so they are more prone to breakage. Well, the answer to the question is bones are alive. Which is the largest bone in the body? The thigh bone, of course, or femur, is the largest single bone in the body. It is also the strongest bone because it has to support all of our weight. An adult male who is 1.8 meters tall has a femur 0.5 meters in length. Which is the smallest bone in the body? This is the opposite of the last question I just said. The smallest bone in the body is called the stirrup. It is in the middle ear and is part of the system that carries sound signals to the brain. At only 3 millimeters long, the stirrup is about the size of a grain of rice. It is connected to two other very small bones called the hammer and the anvil. All three of these bones are joined to the eardrum.